NEXGEN Asset Management. My name is Vince Yee. I'm the president of NEXGEN Asset Management. I'd like to take a moment to share with you the latest technology and the mobile technology related to the NEXGEN Asset Management software. Now, the latest craze is in the market these days up in the tablet technology. There are a number of tablets out there, and in particular, one of the more popular ones is the Apple iPad. Now, NEXGEN has developed a product specifically for the Apple iPad. It's an application you can download from iTunes that's basically specifically for the iPad application. It allows mobile users to be able to deploy this out in the field. Now, the iPad application is very different than what you see in a desktop application. The user interfaces are very different as well. It's more configured towards what you would typically see in a mobile application, such as ones like iPad out there for eBay or Yelp or Starbucks type application. Those are the ones typically out there. Now, the modules that you see on the iPad application are also different. They're limited to specific modules that are for users out in the field. In particular, they're the service request module, the work order module, the asset inventory module, the parts inventory module, and the geographic information. For those of you that have the GIS, you'll have the mapping feature out in the field directly in here. Now, the users basically can get service requests or work orders directly out in the field using the wireless technology that's on here. Everything is real time on the iPad. It uses the Wi-Fi or the cellular coverage on there, so whatever you deploy or assign to in the office directly to the field users, they'll immediately get it out in the field. And when they complete it and go through the work order process, the service request process completed, they can complete everything out in the field directly on the iPad, and it'll close out in real time. Now, a couple things with the iPad itself. There's a couple of technology in here. One particular is the camera. The camera on the iPad 2 and above has a couple features related to NEXGEN Asset Management software. Now, one, it uses as a barcode scanner for the asset inventory module and the parts inventory module. Users can actually barcode scan assets or parts and they'll pull up information related to the assets. So field users can basically access information on the asset for work order histories and activities associated with the asset directly from the iPad application. Now, the second component is obviously a camera. The camera allows users to actually capture pictures and store it inside the asset inventory or parts inventory module as well. Now, let's say you haven't completely captured all your asset inventory out in the field, and you will continue to build your asset inventory to go along. Now, you can utilize the camera in here to be able to take a snapshot of the assets you want to add the asset directly to the iPad, and it will seamlessly update in the database in the system itself. Now, a couple things the iPad also does. It certainly potentially can allow you to be paperless in your organization. It certainly becomes more efficient in your organization as you assign and deploy work orders out in the field to users to do. It also helps users out in the field become more efficient in gathering data and pulling data information for work order histories as well as asset information out in the field. So the iPad application is something that you can download from iTunes. It is free. You can download it with NEXGEN in iTunes. It either uses the desktop concurrent license or the iPad application. So you can basically use your logins for the desktop version or the iPad application itself. So we certainly hope that you look into the iPad application as a mobile solution for your organization. Thank you very much.